my channel and welcome back to another episode of Fingers Crossed. So for today I'm going to be trying a really famous product. I think a lot of people tried it about 3 to 4 years back, and it's from Vietnam, which is their blackhead removal kind of mask. Now there is a name for it. I can't read Vietnamese, so I'm not going to try, but it's basically, I guess, kind of like a white liquid gel thing that you put on your nose, and then they provide paper. It is not your normal paper like A4 paper. No, they provide paper that you can stick on, and then after that you just need to peel it off and you can see all that disgusting blackhead action that I'm sure most of you love as well if you're watching this video. Before I get started though, I'm actually going to make sure that I steam my face, kind of open up my pores a little. Okay guys, I'm so ready now. I'm just going to go directly and put this on my skin, and then I'll paste the paper that they've given and kind of just make my own peel off pack in that sense. But, oh my gosh, it's so... Oh, freak. My shit! Guys, this is a mess! Debating how should I apply it. I thought that the best way would be to just use a brush because they want me to use it like evenly, so I'm gonna try and see whether it works with a brush. This brush doesn't work too well. Is it because it's too liquid? What's going on? Oh, definitely too liquid. Maybe I should just use my hands. Okay guys, using your fingers is much easier. I think I'm just gonna use my fingers and go ahead. Do not use no brush. And then now I'm just gonna paste it with this thing. My hand's a mess. My hand's a mess. Just so that you guys know, I actually managed to like fit the shit in, but it's not like there's a lot of creases because I wanted to make sure it fit nicely, which now I'm not sure if it's the right thing to do, but I guess we'll see. And I have to say, this thing smells really strong. It's not unpleasant, it's just a really strong smell, but overall I think maybe a spatula or a small brush would be better to apply it, but actually my fingers work the best. But yeah, let's wait 5 to 10 minutes or when this is completely dry, and then I'll take it out. So it's been actually more than 20 minutes and I think it's dry already. It should be dry because they said like 5 to 10 minutes only. And I'm just gonna go right ahead and peel it off. have taken it out and it's so good. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm just gonna show you a close-up of the Blackhead, the main sheet, and then you have to see it. So overall guys, I think this is one of the best Blackhead masks I've ever tried, like across all different areas, and I'm gonna cover it, okay? Because number one, like it pulled out so much gunk, like the pulling power is really strong. I think it definitely helped that I steamed my face, but just looking at this again, I'm just like, whoa. I don't think I've ever had a single Blackhead pore strip remove so much from my nose before. Like, it's insane, like even more than the green tea one, which is why I'm like honestly mind blown. And I really felt like it removed a lot, like beyond just your blackhead, whiteheads. It also removes like hair. If it's in your pores, chances are I think this product can remove it. Like it has the highest chance, honestly. So mind blown, y'all, mind blown. And this thing only cost $1.80 Singapore. I'll actually leave a link below of where I got it from. But this alone is $1.80, and obviously they give you some like paper, because like I mentioned, you can't just stick like A4 paper on your nose and expect it to work. Like you need to buy that paper. But they actually let you buy like the refill of this on the seller's page as well. So I thought that was great, and it can definitely last you like, I don't know, maybe at least 10 uses at least, I feel, for one bottle. So it's super affordable. Lastly, it is super easy to use. Like, I'm gonna admit, I'm not really good at DIY stuff like masks, all those kind of things. Like sometimes it's just beyond me, like I can't follow instructions maybe. But this one worked really well, and it's very easy. I know in the beginning I had like a little bit of an issue, but I think if you use your fingers, honestly, fingers is totally fine. Or if you have like a spatula or a small brush, then go ahead and use that. But it was really easy, like once I got the hang of it. It's definitely no mixing needed. It's just make sure that the product is in liquid form, especially if you stay in like cold countries where it might harden. Other than that, guys, okay, I'm just gonna recap the main points. Easy to use, fantastic results, and affordable. Like it's perfect. Like honestly, I just think that maybe for some people's skin type it might not work the best, but it's worth a shot for $1.80. So yeah, I really like it. I definitely see myself reusing this, especially because this is way faster than if I use my green tea one. So yeah, I think I might have found a new favorite. I'm actually a little bit sad that I didn't try this earlier now. So make sure if you live somewhere that they can ship to or something like that, like do try it out and let me know what your thoughts are, because it might not work the same for everyone, but for me it really worked very well, and I would love to hear what you guys have to think about that. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more. Fingers crossed episodes come out every Tuesday about 6 PM Singapore time. Okay, I know I've not uploaded in like the past month, but I've been really overwhelmed with work, so I'm gonna try and keep to my upload schedule. Like I already have the products ready, I just need to film it now. So please subscribe and you will see videos coming out next Tuesday. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.